How to log in QuillBot account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for QuillBot.com. You will be led to the official webpage of QuillBot, so go ahead and tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen and further tap on the login option you see there. You will then see various options on how you can log in to QuillBot. You can log in using Google account, Facebook account, and Apple account. Or you can also simply log in using your email if you have previously registered your account to QuillBot. In today's video, we will log in using email, so tap on the login option you see there. You will further be required to enter your email address, so go ahead and enter your email address and further enter your password and finally tap on the login button. And if the login credentials that you entered is correct, then you will be logged into QuillBot successfully. And just in case if you have forgotten your password, then you can tap on the forgot password option and recover your password and log in further. So this is how you can log in to QuillBot account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.